How to avoid sign errors in algebra inequalities. Have you ever found yourself confused about sign errors when working with algebra inequalities? You are not alone. Many learners face this challenge. Let's break down how to avoid these common pitfalls. First, it is essential to understand the inequality symbols. The symbols less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to indicate the relationship between two expressions. Using these symbols correctly is vital for representing the solution accurately. Next, be cautious when multiplying or dividing both sides of an inequality by a negative number. This operation requires flipping the inequality sign. For instance, if you have negative 2 times x greater than 6 and divide both sides by negative 2, the inequality changes to x less than negative 3. Forgetting to flip the sign can lead to incorrect solutions. Always apply operations to both sides of the inequality equally. Whether you are adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing, doing the same operation on both sides helps maintain balance and correctness. When combining like terms, ensure that you group variables and constants correctly on each side before simplifying. Misplacing variables or mixing terms can cause errors in the final inequality. Using the distributive property correctly is also important. When expanding expressions with parentheses, incorrect distribution can change signs and lead to mistakes. If you are working with fractions or decimals, clear them carefully. Multiply both sides by the least common denominator or convert decimals appropriately. This helps avoid sign mistakes during simplification. Writing out each step clearly is a good practice. Avoid doing operations mentally. Showing your work helps you track sign changes and reduces careless errors. After solving the inequality, double-check your solution. Substitute your answer back into the original inequality to verify it holds true. This step confirms that no sign errors occurred during the process. Lastly, keep your work neat and organized. This prevents confusion between positive and negative signs, especially in multi-step inequalities. By following these guidelines, you can minimize sign errors and build confidence in solving inequalities. This approach supports a clear understanding of the solution set of an inequality and strengthens your foundational algebra skills.